Hello, Beauty Guide! Welcome to your 2020 Global Palooza.
You want to become fully empowered, you have to become financially empowered. Financial empowerment is critical in every circumstance because it is directly connected to personal empowerment. Blondie was one of the most positive, hopeful, and determined women I have ever met.
She wants to teach women, she wants to help them to think positively, and she feels that she has the tools already to do that.
You will be successful.
You are worth it, you deserve it, and you can do it. And we're here to cheer you on every step of the way.
The Fempire Fund is an opportunity to accelerate your financial future. Let's meet the woman who is going to receive a $1 million investment through the Fempire Fund.
Thank you so much. I'm over the top excited.
Makeup is supposed to be fun. I want to help you take the guesswork out of choosing your perfect eyeshadow shade.
With this collection of shadows at LimeLife by Alcone, you can do anything you need to do.
It's holiday, and if you ask me, it's our best one yet. Who is ready for a new product alert? Drum roll, please. Introducing Making Waves Waterproof Mascara. Together, we are a tidal wave, and we have the love, support, and now mascara to handle anything the world throws at us.